Solana, Sol, and earn rewards using Trust Wallet.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below.
Trust Wallet. The bottom hand screen, click on Home, click on Earn. It says Solana. If you want to earn Solana or stake down until you see the option Native Staking, see all, or you can click on Solana. Up to 6 block time of Solana portfolio value, how much you've option bottom hand screen, you can swap for Solana or buy, unless if you click on Discover in the bottom right. On any one of these right here, go to DEX, swap, Pancake Swap, or Fluid, and stake Solana. Swap to successfully stake. Dots right here. Cake Swap. Swap.finance is going to open up. You earn the third option right here. Stake, and then select Solana of your choice from the liquidity. You can change this to a different network for free in the Trust